हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पप्पू करियर गाइड, अ कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड। तो फिर हम लोग आज वीडियो में बात करेंगे टीसीएस मई एनक्यूटी के फाइनल और एक्चुअल एग्जाम को लेकर। एज यू ऑल नो दैट टीसीएस मई एनक्यूटी फाइनल एग्जाम डेट एंड टाइम आर ऑलरेडी रिलीज्ड। ओके, so in this video I am going to talk about main topics and main points which you are required to like know that this is the very main topics and points which I am going to talk, which I am going to tell you in this particular video. Okay, watch video till the end. If you like my video, then please like this video and do subscribe my channel and please share with your friend. Okay, so here you can see like I written over there 5 points. So find 5 points. First point is like TCS my NQT exam date and time. Friend, you as you all know that for TCS there will be 3 sections are there for particular TCS hiring. First one is your NQT, which is also called cognitive, and second one is your industry, which is also called information technology, I think. Yes, and third one is your IT programming. Okay, and let me discuss first the timing. Okay, for NQT cognitive, it's timing your 2 hours. Exam will be start for the my NQT, particular my NQT is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, if you purchases the IT programming also, then your timing will be NQT plus IT programming, means 10 to 1 p.m. Okay, for IT programming there will be 1 hour separate, but if you purchases the both the courses like NQT and IT, then your timing will be 10 to 1 p.m. 2 hours for NQT, 1 hour for IT programming, and for industry there will be 1 hour, 1 separate hour for the timing of 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, and login time is your 45 minutes of your actual time. Shift 1, shift 2 full details exam duration, which I am going to tell you for the further. Okay, and registration time, and fourth point is very much important, like if I miss DRC, can I receive my NQT exam? Yes friend, you will definitely going to receive your final exam, but it may be create problem because you haven't checked your system. Otherwise no problem. Okay, how all scores are calculated in my NQT exam for TCS future hiring? See friend, if you are going to give in my for particular cognitive exam, then if you score like good score, like अगर आपका पहला का मान लो स्कोर आया था, इट लेट सपोज योर प्रीवियस स्कोर इज 1400 out of 1800, but in this time you score 1600, then your best score will be updated on your scorecard. Okay, let's suppose you are not going to give IT programming, you are already writing the cognitive part, but don't worry, your previous IT programming score will be updated in my NQT also. Okay, so don't worry, if you are going to give only one exam, then just give, and don't worry about that, like your previous score is also with you. Okay, so your all the scores are updated on the particular my NQT scorecard. Okay, and let me discuss shift 1 and shift 2 full exam details. Okay, so friend, here you can see like registration window time 1 hour period to exam time. Candidate cannot start the exam if registration not completed before the exam start time. Your my NQT TCS NQT date is 1st May. Your exam start at 3 p.m. to end to 5 p.m. The particular exam is only for the NQT, like cognitive or NQT exam will be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, you are subscribed the following product like section 1 NQT. Okay, exam link and login credential appear to the exam will be sent to your registration email ID prior to the exam day. Detailed guideline to familiarize yourself with TCS NQT remote assessment. आपको यहाँ पर PDF का link होगा. Basically you have to click on the particular link and you are going to go through each and every point if you are facing any problem during your registration, and if you like something like that. Okay, if you face any problem, then just go through this PDF. Okay, it will be also attached with your mail also. Okay, like examination instruction, system requirement, do and don'ts, guidelines to debug examine system technical issues, and most important thing, can we use a pen paper? I will definitely, I already made many videos on this topic also. If sir, can we use pen pencil? I will personally recommend you, please don't use pen pencil. Okay, please don't use. Okay, you are already NQT already provided you the virtual like calculator and notepad also. Okay, so just use that one. Okay, this is all the part, like how you are going to enable system like just go through this PDF. Okay, before giving the exam. Okay, this is also provided many videos link. Okay, just go through each and every videos if you are facing any problem. Okay, So friend, here you can see like shift 1 and shift 2. Shift 1 variant is your, like if you purchase all the courses like NQT, IT programming and industry, IT program, information technology. Okay, so here you can see on my screen. Okay, in shift 1 variant details in NQT and section 1 is the NQT and section 2 is IT programming. Both are mixing to the time duration of 3 hours, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and shift 2 variant details are like 3 to 4 p.m. This is the both the exam will be conducted in a single day, like 1st May. Okay, and you can see that 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. as I already told you that for the industry it will timing like 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, they both are the total shift timing. Okay, so I think I already told you each and everything. If you have still any problem, then just comment down below, and then just try to join my TCS NQT Telegram group. If you face any problem before the exam, just comment, just message me over there. Okay, just and pin me, so that I will try to help you over the problem. Okay, I know this time many students going to face problem, okay, before the exam. Just message me over there. I will definitely try to help you out, and all the best for each and every students who are going to give my NQT exam, and best of luck. Be safe and take care of your family and you also. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.